practicing a really beautiful song, and it has a really nice piano part, but it's in B major or something, so I can't play it. It starts like this. It's called Kennst du das Land?
Ah, that's gorgeous. Yeah.
Something like that. It's not that, but it's
That
really...
you've memorized it. I mean, it's very...
It's really so cool.
Awesome.
I'll sing it sometime, maybe.
We have some lovely people in the chat already. Hello, Lynn.
Lovely
Hello,
people
Jasper.
in chat. Lovely
Lovely
people.
people.
Lovely people.
Lovely people.
Lovely people.
Lovely party. Oh, Hibiki. Hibiki may be watching.
Lovely party.
If you're here, Hibiki-san, then let us know.
Yeah.
Don't you have the thing which to change the channel? The video server.
Hi.
Dag Maria.
9 uur.
Goed.
Vanavond Iris Mobiel.
Ja.
En Arie, die kijkt altijd weer.
Ja, ja, dat heb ik gezien.
De kleindochter van Nico. Nico is 91.
Oké.
Dat
Gewoon.
is geweldig. En ik kijk ook vanavond.
Leuk. Goed.
Hey, prachtige dingen vanavond gehoord.
Nou,
Wil je
fijn.
inzingen?
Thanks. Leuk.
Wil je nog zo'n gek kussentje hebben?
Wat zei je?
Wil je nog zo'n gek kussentje hebben?
Nee, is goed.
Dankjewel.
Shall we start? I mean, who has already begun?
Art is happening
Oh.
right here,
Is it though?
you
Thou?
uncultured
Is it thou?
beast.
Beat!
Whoa.
Excuse me.
Hey.
Anyway,
Life is happening. If you don't pay attention, you might miss it.
community, right?
No, it's hit original.
It's,
Buy
you
this.
you won't even fail my class, Jeff.
You'll fail life. You'll fail a much bigger thing. Well, I mean, you can take over if you wish,
I know, I was already busy doing shit.
or I can play some
I
more.
Oh,
Dagen, weken, jaren, vliegt de tijd dat er voorbij, zoiets.
do a concert, I promise.
Sometime today.
Ah, it's poor again?
Would you like to play?
If you wish.
Yeah, sorry, I'm getting angry because the quality of the stream isn't bad. But
Why should you?
we're gonna record it
Why should you get mad about
because I wanted
Can
to
you do
make
something?
No, I can't do anything about it, so that's good.
that? No, just don't worry about that because we can't do anything about that. That's what I mean.
Yes, exactly. See, and it can't be said without saying shut up.
Shut up, stop bitching.
Oh, shall we? Are we still live? Not at this moment. Aren't Reinder, Jan and Arya always streaming BBC Planet Earth in 4K? Maybe that's why the internet is sometimes a bit slow. Because they're always downloading stuff. I ask them to quite often.
They're known pirates in the
Yeah.
in the dark web.
They download everything for the entire neighborhood. If you want something, they have it.
They take the bandwidth of the whole stream.
Yeah, yeah. Benjamin, stop resonating.
Shall we go?
Are we still live?
Are we still live?
Where?
Have you tried the thing that you were trying?
Amazing.
I turned it off and on.
It's like makes it magic.
Yeah, but it still doesn't work.
Let's start with Caro Christians.
Say, Benjamin, what is today's theme?
Love.
Love. Love is always the theme.
General or particular?
Yes.
Yes.
Today's theme is love. We can do the entire thing. You ready
So-
for it?
This first one is Caro Christians,
So we're switching from Caro to Carol.
Oh.
which means
Whoa, smart.
Carol in English.
Yeah.
Oh. Well.
Love. Should I be a Christmas singer?
We like to have fun around here. Fun.
Fun.
This is a really gorgeous
Oh,
Cornish one that I didn't actually know. I found it in a Carols of Christmas. So, are we totally lost?
No, we're not. I would just like to know
When Joao goes to do something with the internet.
why YouTube's slowish.
It's funny because it's true.
When Joao goes to do something with the internet. Joao, what are you doing with the internet?
Stop doing the
sorry,
internet.
sorry.
Stop doing things with the internet. Joao, the internet is broken again.
Oh!
Look what you done to my peonies.
saying.
Go on.
Every time Benjamin plays a chord that you might not immediately expect, you drink. You take a sip of your linen tonic.
With Pope.
What? People.
With Pope attending.
Hope to catch up with you again around 8:30. We hope so too.
There's no chance I'm not doing anything else. Let's just
Ja? Hey, Jasper Leven.
You just said I João. Aha.
Oh.
I don't really get the joke.
Me neither. Maybe it's my name.
What do you want?
I want to put this
Dude!
on.
He's outside.
Ach.
Oké. Om dit op de hele bladzijde te hebben, zodat ik het kan lezen. Ja. Zo.
Ja, maar dan moet je continu. Is toch?
Ja, nou ja, ik bedoel... Anders kan ik het niet. Dan zit ik zo, dus ja.
Let's go.
Carol, Carol, Christian.
I said let's go, but I mean, Carol, 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 Carol.
Carol.
Carol, Carol, Carol.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Carol, Carol, Christians, carol joyfully. Carol for the coming of Christ's nativity. In the fields abiding, watching through the night, Bethlehem's simple shepherds saw a glorious sight. Carol, 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 carol. All was still and silent when our hills around streamed a glorious radiance with sweet harmonious sound. Came a holy angel, all in light arrayed. Glory shone upon them, they were sore afraid. Carol, 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 carol. Suddenly appearing came an angel throng, praising God and singing a glorious heavenly song. In the highest glory, on the earth be peace, peace, goodwill from heaven.
nice.
That's very Benjamin-like.
And yet it wasn't.
Twasn't.
Twasn't.
Olá, Marta, obrigado.
It wasn't. Marta.
I don't know. Everything's very weird with this video today.
Let's do Hark the Herald.
Yeah.
Oh, the one where I sing full voice all the time.
Yeah, bravado, even.
Bravado. Oh
Yeah.
my.
Bravado.
Oh
that's
my
how you say it in
I think it's
English.
pronounced bravado, actually. Bravado.
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 Anyway, this is a gorgeous version of Hark the Herald. And it's by Kate Rusby, who's a really beautiful English folk singer. If you guys haven't heard her, you should go and check
Oh,
her out.
Rusby?
Exactly.
Catherine Rusby.
And this is like, trust British folk people to make even Hark the Herald like the saddest thing you'll ever hear.
Oh my god.
So I'll do the first verse and then you guys join in for the rest. Do you want to do a solo?
I have plenty later, so...
You want to do a solo? Third verse?
So stick around if you want to hear me sing solo.
Okay, I wink at you if I feel like a solo.
Okay, good.
I'll do this sign here. Or maybe this.
That's nice.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to our newborn King, peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Mighty lays His glory by, born that man no more may die, born to raise the sons of earth, born to give them second birth.
Joyful all nations rise, join the triumph of the skies, with the angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem.
on earth and mercy mount. God and sinners
Very nice.
Wow.
Very
Oh.
nice solo, Jorginho.
Wow. Oh shit! I forgot. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah. The original.
Maybe one more sad one.
Hmm. Yeah, I mean.
Yeah. What is
What?
Jesus is born?
It's called folk music.
Folk Arabic music.
See him at the Winter Snow.
Let's see.
Boom, boom.
Bam. Wow. Wow.
I'll do first verse. You guys join me for second and third.
Yeah. Okay. I
And remember
shall.
that there's a second page, so it doesn't just finish at the end of the second system.
Yeah, like I did in the rehearsal. Oh, there's more. Oh, okay.
Amazeballs.
See amid the winter snow, born for us on earth below. See the tender lamb appear, promised for eternal year. Hail the ever blessed morn. Hail redemption's happy morn. Sing through old Jerusalem, Christ is born in Bethlehem.
Say, holy shepherds, say, what your joyful news today? Wherefore have ye left your sheep on the lonely mountain steep? Hail the ever blessed morn. Hail is born in Bethlehem. However blessed morn, hail redemption's happy dawn. Sing through all Jerusalem, Christ is born in
Oh,
They should
Thank you,
call
Wes.
that the suspended Benjamin chord.
what just parallel fifths?
Yeah, and sevenths.
So let's
That's
say
it. Suspended Benjamin.
Suspenjamin.
Suspenjamin chord.
Okay, now we're going to do a very fun one that I
Hashtag
learned.
Suspenjamin.
So we've got for the
Linen
merch, we
tonic.
have linen tonic and
Suspenjamin.
Benjamin.
That could
Okay.
also be when Benjamin wants to tell a suspenseful story,
Ooh.
and then it's Suspenjamin.
Suspenjamin.
Suspenjamin comes in the room.
Suspenjamin.
Sorry. Let's go on. Before this gets any worse.
I think it's time to call a spade and say that this is one of the least productive concerts.
Yeah, definitely.
And like it's yeah. So this next one is one I got from Family Guy, but it's a
Whoa.
legit band. Yeah, I'm not saying more than that.
Wait, let me. No, stop! No! Is it? Is it the
You will
rain?
not get me.
Is it the over the
Yeah,
grandma? Oh, so what?
Grandma.
No, what? Okay.
we have no idea what he's talking
what?
about. The song definitely isn't about.
your grandma.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer, walking home from her Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe.
She'd been drinking too much eggnog, and we begged her not to go.
Don't go, Grandma!
But she forgot her medication, and she staggered out the door into the snow. When we found her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, she had footprints on her forehead and incriminating claws marks on her back.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer, walking home from Marco's Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe.
Now we're all so proud of Grandpa.
Oh, such a grandpa.
He's been taking this so well.
He's a good lad, that grandpa.
See him in there watching football, drinking beer and playing cards with Cousin Mel.
Oh, cousin Mel.
It's not Christmas without Grandma. All the family's dressed in black, and we couldn't help but wonder, should we open up her gifts or send them back?
Open them.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer, walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe.
Now the goose is on the table,
Shouldn't be a turkey.
and the pudding made of fig, and the blue and silver candles that would just have matched the hair on Grandma's wig. I've warmed all my friends and neighbors. Better watch out for yourselves. They should never give a license
walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandma, we believe. Grandma got run over by a reindeer, walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandma, we believe. You got run over by a reindeer, walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we
You're crying because grandma's dead,
No,
right?
this quote.
Oh, grandma! Bastard Santa Claus!
E flat major. G flat.
Wait, you touch my jazz.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer, walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe.
Whoa. That was a roller caster of
A roller coaster.
roller caster. Because it casts rolls.
Yeah, yeah.
Rollers. Can you imagine? Something that casts rollers? Can you imagine?
I guess.
Yeah.
I don't want to be the R word, but black key glissers are the funnest thing ever.
Hey, is that reverse racism? Is that reverse
The
racism?
R word. Oh, okay.
Is that reverse racism?
Not what I did.
What?
I'm excused.
I can't hear you.
Right?
I can't hear you.
Have a drink.
I can't hear you. Is it for me? No. No, the one? It was really time to watch it. To take a
You're
look
in
at it.
all of the songs today.
No, for real?
Yeah, they're all with
Oh
all
my
three of us.
God, Jesus. But is this the solo? Oh, I'm just going to screw it so bad. Okay. I looked at this once. Well, it was already 50 minutes ago, but we were late because of this. So
Actually,
I'm already sorry for all the mistakes. Can you
And-
put like the 4 first bars in your introduction, just so I remember it?
I just played the melody of the whole thing.
Sorry, you were saying something.
Okay, I will talk, you listen. This is a song that we did in Cornwall Junior Choir the whole time, and it's so nice because it sounds so much like Christmas to me, and just being a little boy singing in the cathedral and going around and touring. My parents had to drive me to like a million different places, and it was very fun. And we did this. But nobody knows it, and I think it's a shame.
No,
Because it's absolutely beautiful. And João Junior
no.
is
with
going
the
to sing it
text.
beautifully, and even if he makes mistakes,
Watch
tis
me.
fine.
Watch me. Wait.
Brightest and best. sorry.
Yes. Brightest and best of the songs of the morning, none on our darkness and lend us thine aid. As for the east, the
horizon adorning, guide where our infant Redeemer is laid. Cold on his cradle the dewdrops are shining, low lies his head with a miss of the stall. Angels adore him in slumber reclining, Maker and monarch and Savior of all. Shall we yield him in costly devotion, odors of Edom and offerings divine, gems of the mountain and pearls of the ocean, mirth of the forest or gold from the mine? Vainly we offer each ample oblation, vainly with gifts would his favor secure. Richer by far is the heart's adoration, dearer to God are the prayers of the poor. Brightest and best of the sons of the morning, dawn on our darkness and lend us thine aid. Star of the east, the horizon adorning, guide where our infant Redeemer is laid. Guide where our infant Redeemer is guide where our infant Redeemer is
I have no
Very
idea where
nice
this
job.
E flat came from.
That was very nice.
I can do it again.
Let,
Whoa.
let,
Sorry. I will stop right now.
Hi, Sean. I didn't know you were in
Oh, Sean.
England. I thought you were still in The Hague.
Oh my god.
Shanty.
Sarah, Enchante. Enchante, you stay.
Whoa.
You're all way too young to remember Chas and Dave Xmas specials, but you defo captured a moment in time with that one. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you.
That's very sweet. Isso é muito sweet. That's Raoul's
Your-
language. That's how Portuguese sounds like.
Uh-huh. That's how Benjamin sounds when he speaks Portuguese.
It literally what
All
Portuguese
very
sounds like.
quiet.
I think it's time to go to the war zone. Avec Luiz, a Luginho,
Speak to us.
my angel of music.
speak my angel, no, not speak. Sing my angel.
Well, I guess it's too late now. Sorry.
So of course I asked both my parents which song they wanted to do, and sorry, Dad, I didn't get around to doing that arrangement because I was so tired of
Roger wanted to hear
arrangements.
S Club 7 Reach.
Well, almost. He wanted to hear, Baby, if you got to go away, don't think I could take the pain. Won't you stay another stay? So that would have been you guys.
Okay.
It would have been very fun. And my mum suggested, like, the most depressing thing I've ever heard at Christmas. But it's a beautiful story. So basically, at Christmas in 1915 was during the war, I guess.
Shouldn't it be 1914? I think it was 1914.
Well, the song is 1915. I don't know about dates. I'm gay, so I don't do numbers.
What?
That's why these two are my best friends. So when I have taxes,
After a while, you just lose count, right?
Yeah, it just starts going away.
it's true.
Unless you are born gay.
There's so much confusion about what 20 is and what 50. Anyway,
Oh, wait, what?
I'm
Ca-
wondering how many of our parents are watching this.
Yeah.
Ding. Anyway, Christmas 1915. It's a song about, well, it's actually a true thing that happened, and there's lots of adverts, and it's a sort of like became a story in the UK. We watched a advert of this. I'd forgotten, and I remember
There's a
it.
movie about that, I think. Right?
Right. I mean, there's a lot. It's a really like inspirational thing. Basically, there was no man's land in the middle of the war. There was trenches, British and German soldiers, and the German soldiers started singing "Stille Nacht," which is
Stille Nacht, Stille Nacht. If it's in Portuguese, Noite Feliz, Noite Feliz. If it's in English, Silent Night.
and if it's in Cornish,
Karnarachnacht.
Tahuanos,
All wrong.
Sensuanos. Anyway, and so the Germans started singing that, and then the English people started singing Silent Night as well. And basically, all of the troops came up from the trenches and met each other, and they shook hands, and they showed each other photos of like their girlfriends or boyfriends back home, and they played football with each other. And then they just realized that the people that they were fighting against were human. And after that, all of the commanders banned any fraternizing with the enemy, because the next day they didn't want to kill each other. Go figure. So this is a song that my mum sent me by Celtic Thunder, which is a very cheesy but very nice band. And it's a gorgeous...
Wasn't that your nickname in secondary school?
It absolutely was, yeah, Celtic Thunder. Because I dyed my hair blue.
Blue?
I had a blue streak in my hair. And I had a blue streak in my beard as well, and it like matched. It was very...
Did you
well,
have
I thought
beard
it
by
was
that
cool.
time?
Yeah, I had a beard when I was like 11. It was ridiculous.
Benjamin had
Whoa.
blonde hair as well.
I hid his favorite photo.
No. Wait,
Yeah,
no.
like dyed hair. I don't think I have it anymore. You saved it, right?
I don't.
I was speaking to
sent
you
it
one
on
day and you
Facebook.
say, I still have that photo of you saved on my
Hey,
laptop somewhere,
Wids,
just in
we-
case you delete it from Facebook.
Hey, Wids, we need those photos just for
I'll check if I can
for
find it.
historic purposes,
It's,
of course.
It's amazing. It's Benjamin wearing like knee boots, like.
Oh, no, not that one.
furry knee
Okay,
boots.
so this is a really lovely song. We are not going. Called Christmas 1915. You're the worst.
I mean, you gave me permission to
Who am
use the page Facebook as your meme page.
If Benjamin, when Benjamin is famous, we can sell
Absolutely.
that picture,
Oh yeah, that.
and we will give you 5%.
5.
Well, you're
I'm
making the
being
money with
generous,
music.
okay? What did you do for the picture?
Okay, so now very serious. We're going to
Yeah.
the war zone in the middle of, I guess it would have been
Actually,
the
I thought
Netherlands
it
or
was in
Belgium,
the.
where they were fighting.
I actually thought it was in the Second World War.
I also thought there was a Second World War. I think it's a bit of a loose sort of interpretation of it. I don't know why it's 1915. I mean, I guess it fitted with the text. It fat with the text.
And there are actually pictures of it.
Are there? I didn't know
I
that.
saw a picture once with both sides together. That's very nice.
1915 on Christmas Day. On the Western Front, the guns all died away, and lying in the mud on bags of sand, we heard a German sing from no man's land.
He had a tender voice, so pure and true. The words were strange, but every note we knew. Soaring o'er the living dead and dead,
The Germans sang of peace in no trenches, and we left ours.
Beneath tin hats, smiles bloomed like wildflowers.
With photos, cigarettes, and pots of wine.
We built a soldier's rose on the front line. Their singer was a lad of 21.
We begged another song before the dawn.
And sitting in the mud and blood and fear,
He sang again the song I long to hear.
silent night, no cannons roll.
Our King is born of peace forevermore. All's calm, all's bright, all brothers in the night.
In 19 and 15 in no man's land.
And in the morning all the guns boomed in the rain. We killed them all, they killed us again. At night they charged, we fought them hand to hand.
And I killed the boy that sank in no man's land.
Silent night, no cannons roll. A king is born of peace forevermore. All's calm, all's bright, all brothers in the night.
And that young soldier sings.
And the song of peace still rings.
Though the captain and the kings
Built no man's land. Sleep in heavenly peace.
Isn't that the nicest?
Yeah, I guess that makes sense. 1915 because in 1945.
No, but there actually was a Christmas truce in 1914, the first year of the First World War.
Right.
So
Yeah, I guess
It's
they just
pretty-
needed it for...
it's a good story, but I was also reading along with a critical eye, and they might as well have written 1914. 1914.
Did it not rhyme anywhere?
Maybe this
No.
was another one.
No, it doesn't.
So I don't really understand
Oh.
But maybe this was another
what
thing.
is happening.
Wait.
Because this one wasn't really a truce. It was just like the night of the Christmas night.
Okay. Okay.
Let me check. Google, answer me this. Riddle me this.
Yeah. Christmas truce.
WW1. Okay. Maybe it was this thing. Widespread unofficial ceasefires along the western front of the First War. Around 1914. You see? I told you there's a picture of it.
Oh, wow.
We can post a link to it in
Yeah,
the,
I can put a link on the video. Yeah. This is a picture of the British and German soldiers arm in arm exchanging headgear.
Handgear.
Headgear.
Headgear.
Saint-Yves, Belgium. Yeah. Okay.
Maria.
Yeah.
9 uur.
Marienburg. From the beginning, the three of us.
So this next one is very special for the family in Heidelberg, for family Salerski. I hope I said that right. Happy birthday to Hannah, and lots of love to all of you there. Requested and with love from JB, if you know him as that. My family know him as JB. Otherwise, it's from John.
Barnes.
Maria durch ein Dornwald ging, Kyrie eleison. Maria durch ein Dornwald ging, der hat in 7 Jahren kein Laub getragen. Jesus und Maria, was trug Maria unterm Herzen? Kyrie eleison, ein kleines Kindlein ohne Schmerzen, das trug Maria unter
I was expecting a second stanza.
Oh, well, do you want to do it again?
Yes, I do.
Okay, maybe later. That's a nice one to end on, actually. Anyway, is iemand, volgens mij moet ik dit gewoon in het Nederlands doen. Er is iemand die kijkt die verjaardag, nou niet verjaardag, ik bedoel ja, voor jou is het ook verjaardag, nou laat maar.
Hij, zij wordt 1.
Ja, inderdaad.
Het is de
Nee.
verjaardag.
Zij, dit is voor Iris Mabron. Arie kijkt heel vaak en hij schrijft, zij, Arie. Hij schrijft heel vaak in de commentaren, dus leuk dat jij altijd er bent, Arie. Oké. En wij gaan zingen voor de kleindochter van Nico Mabron, Iris. Dus gefeliciteerd. We wachten even op Joao,
Iris. Mooi naam.
zodat hij terugkomt om te zingen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Iris. Happy birthday to you. Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria.
Gefeliciteerd.
Gefeliciteerd. 9 jaar.
Wauw.
Nu ben je volwassen.
Ja.
Nu moet je huur gaan betalen. Klusjes in huis doen. Ja, gaat allemaal komen.
En zo erg.
Wat? Ik ben gewoon eerlijk. Nee hoor, Iris, grapje.
You know, I can't
Niet.
put live subtitles for,
that'd be
for
cool.
your Dutch. I can't. I'm saying I
Oh.
can't.
Okay. Too bad.
Too bad. Too
So a lot of people know this one. Here's a 21st century take on it.
Whoa. Which one is it? A lot of people know this
Yeah,
one. Yeah,
I
maybe
saw-
the singers should know which one it is.
I saw.
Oh. Oh, okay.
I saw Daddy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. He didn't see me creep down the stairs to have a peek. He thought that I was hooked up in my bedroom fast asleep. Then I saw Daddy tickle Santa Claus underneath his beard so snowy white. Oh, what a laugh it would have been if Papa had only seen Daddy kissing Santa Claus last night. Beep, 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 I saw Daddy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. He thought that I was tucked up in my bedroom fast asleep. Then I saw Daddy tickle Santa Claus underneath his beard so snowy white. Oh, what a laugh it would have been if Papa had only seen Daddy kissing Santa Claus last night.
I don't know how to undo it. I saw Daddy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. He didn't see me creep down the stairs to have a peek. He thought that I was tucked up in my bedroom fast asleep. Then I saw Daddy tickle Santa Claus underneath his beard so snowy white. Oh, what a laugh it would have been if Papa had only seen Daddy kissing Santa Claus last night.
I thought we were stuck in this loop forever.
Yeah, like just never finish it.
Oh man,
Our life now.
how can I end this? Oh my god, I have to go from the beginning another 50 times.
That's how music works.
OCD.
No, this is not the perfect ending.
OCD.
MoCD. Since we have some of our German watchers kiking, as it were. Oh, that's really bad in English. I mean, kijken is to watch in English. Witinho, could you join us?
This is for me? No. As well? Jesus. Give me a break. Which one is that one?
The German one.
Oh. You mean Maria Dur?
The
Dur.
German one we haven't.
Marian Dur?
It just never stops.
You see? It's a never-ending loop. It's like the limbo. It is a limbo.
Still, 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 weil das Kindlein schlafen will. Maria tut es niedersingen, ihre keusche Brust darbringen. Still, 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 weil das Kindlein schlafen will. Schlaf, 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 mein liebes Kindlein, schlaf. Die Engel tun schon
Still, 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 weil's Kindlein schlafen will. Maria tut es niedersingen, ihre keusche Brust darbringen. Still, 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 weil's Kindlein schlafen will.
Oh, Christmas. Oh, thanks, Jasper.
Oh. Oh.
You know, you sometimes get, when you're a kid, you want things that you don't have. I asked my mum for like horses and dogs. And our garden's big enough. Why can't we have a stable? Oh, Christmas. Oh, meta. Joao's running away. But we do need him for the next one as well. Ha, Paglo. Qu'est-ce Paglo?
Paglo?
Paglo? Pardon, c'est quoi?
What did he say?
Paglo? Paglo.
Oh,
I thought you were really like, Paglo.
yeah.
Apparently you're French.
Parkour.
Parkour. Ik dacht dat er een L in zat.
No, it's parkour.
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 Rick when he throws the plastic bottle into the recycling.
Parkour.
And he's Pickle Rick,
Oh.
you know? And then he like grabs this and he's like, throws it into the recycling. That was like my favorite part of the episode.
Oh my god.
So maybe you guys can let us know in the comments what the most ridiculous thing you wanted when you were a kid was.
I also had that thing with the horse.
Yeah?
Because this time I dreamed I had a horse. And it was such a vivid dream. There's like, I woke up and, where the is my horse? What have you done to my horse?
Where is my horse?
That's
No.
like the dream I had a few days about followers, right?
Benjamin.
Subscribers.
Where's my horse?
What have you done
Really
to my
imagine it.
horse?
Benjamin, where's my horse? Oh, bruv, what?
Do you ever sleepwalk?
No.
No, I don't actually.
You do?
No.
No, with
No, I don't think I've done it in a while, but I have done it. And sometimes I speak in my sleep, and I actually have conversations in my sleep.
We have someone in the room who non-stop speaks
Oh.
in their sleep.
Anna Marceline. She speaks a lot during her
It's-
sleep.
Who?
Like a girl
This
from
funny girl.
Portugal.
This funny girl.
This
Oh, she's
funny
no, I
girl.
love her. She's
Yeah.
Anna. If you're watching,
She speaks a lot
Mm.
and really aggressive sometimes.
I'm not gonna give any examples,
Alright.
but yeah, I think you guys know.
What was the horse's name?
I have no
Oh,
Does
was
the
it
idea.
horse have a name?
Joao
I
as
have
well.
no
That
idea.
would be so cute. Joao on a horse called
João
Joao.
Caballo. Caballo.
Cavallo.
Cavallo.
But it sounds a bit.
João Cavallo.
I've just watched.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
uh-huh. Shut up. This is PG-13.
João Cavallo.
Oh man.
Jan Hespaard. That would be my word. Nice. Why?
For no reason special, just
Sounds cool.
because I go a lot of time.
Oh yeah, that's your
Yeah, my trademark.
trademark.
My trademark as that kind of actor.
Dragging it across the floor. Let's
Is this gonna work?
Let's move on to the next discussion or music.
let's make like a tree and leave.
What is it?
Let's make like Joao's.
Sana.
you know what and hit the road.
Son of what? Wait, what?
Oh, I can't even quote it on. Oh my.
Can't even quote what?
You know what I'm quoting.
Tim Braithwaite.
What?
I learned it from Tim Braithwaite.
But
No,
what? I
but
didn't
the-
hear what you
The
said.
quote from Joao when we were on that swing.
Oh.
Oh, my bag's on the
Right.
floor.
And tonight when I came around the bend, the man shouting had a similar voice to you in that moment.
Oh,
Hey there!
Hey there! Oh,
Okay.
my bag's nearly on the floor.
My bag's on the floor.
That's what I said, and this guy just thought it was something
It is what he said.
Completely inappropriate for this
bag's on the
concert.
floor.
My bag's on the floor. And Benjamin thought it was one of my
Just always toast
my
and
genitalia. Benjamin thought
One
I
of them.
said. Benjamin
I
thought I
dropped one.
said.
toast. Just the left one.
Benjamin
like
thought
a basketball.
because there's this slide, kind of like
It's a slide swing
yeah,
where you jump onto it and it like takes you from one point
Yeah.
to the other,
and
otherwise known as a horse.
I had my backpack with me on my back, and then I was leaning on my back, and my backpack touched the floor and got all dirty, and I said, "Oh, my bag's on the floor," and Benjamin
nearly on the floor.
Benjamin
touch on the
understood.
Something very
Hey,
different.
my genitalia is on the floor.
It's not, but it's a sounds so
But-
weird replacing it with that word.
Yeah, but I
change.
can say that. Oh,
It's really weird to hear.
I can
that,
say it.
Benjamin.
Yeah, that's. Anyway, we were talking about
Yeah, whatever.
presents at Christmas.
Yeah, horse.
I'll do
Santa
the
never
first-
brings me a horse.
I'll do the first chorus on my own, and then gives you guys a chance to come into it. Is that big enough?
That's what she said.
Developed that man's collar.
That's what she said.
What not to do in a world pandemic?
What?
Scratch it.
Well, or suffer the consequences.
Talk about that later. Santa never brings me a banjo. I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry. Okay, that's a bit too quick. Santa never brings me a banjo. I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry. Santa never brings me a banjo. I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry. Santa never brings me a banjo. I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry. Santa never brings me a banjo. I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry. My brother got the train that he asked for. My sister even got a violin. How does he miss one thing on my list in the letter that I sent to him? I told him how hard I would practice. I told him I'd play so loud that high lonesome sound would fill up the town, and I'd make my parents so
Proud.
But
Santa never brings me a banjo. I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry. 'Cause Santa never brings me a banjo, and I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry.
I asked my parents if they know why Santa always leaves me sad. I do well in school, I follow the rules, and I don't even think I've been bad. Oh, maybe it's too much for the workshop. Maybe it's too tricky for the elves. Since I'll never understand, I think I'm gonna plan to buy one for myself. Santa never brings me a banjo.
I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry. Santa never brings me a banjo. I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry. Santa never brings me a banjo. I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry. Santa never brings me a banjo, and I can never understand why. Every Christmas Eve I can see it in my dreams, but every Christmas morning I cry.
Christmas after I cry, Eve, morning.
Yeah. Quite right.
That was
quite
me.
Right.
Manjo. Why?
Oh, I'm
Oh.
late, but just in time to you speak French.
Oh.
Perfect. I don't know who this is. Lacrimosa Industry.
Oh my god.
All right. When did you speak French?
I don't know. You. Oh, Baclo. I
Oh.
don't know if it was that.
Baclou.
Baclo.
Parkour. Parkour.
Baclo. Get. Lammer. No. Dude, we've still got half an hour left. Shall we do
Estamos parkour.
Antes que o paling dos estrelas.
Okay, what?
Do paling. Não sei.
Oh.
Paling. That's the guy from Monty Python.
Ah, yeah.
Michael Paling.
Anyway, so
That's a
I
good
wrote.
question because
Michael
sorry,
Paling.
I was going to explain paling
Michael
because
Paling.
pale is
Look at
white.
him. Look at him and say that.
Paling.
Antes do branqueamento das estrelas?
Juan
What?
Cleese.
Oh, like Francisca Brasco. Brasco.
Branco.
Oh,
I said
Branco.
branqueamento
sorry.
because pale, branco, claro, pálido. So,
In relation
Antes
to
do-
your face.
antes do palidamento das estrelas.
And the rest?
Antes de.
Amanhã do...
Do inverno.
É amanhã de inverno.
Oh.
Antes do.
I thought you spoke Portuguese.
It's okay. Our Portuguese is also not so good. It's fine.
I'm completely broken.
Yeah.
Como falar. Como speak
El
em
Kikiriki
português.
português.
Jesus Cristo nasceu num estábulo, embalado numa manjedoura, num mundo que as suas mãos fizeram, nascido um estranho. Padre e rei estão a dormir em Jerusalém. Novo e velho estão a dormir na povoada Belém. Santo e anjo, boi e burro estão a observar juntos antes do Natal, antes da manhã de Natal, no tempo de inverno.
Did you do the third verse as well?
Não.
Okay.
Jesus com a sua no peito da sua mãe, no estábulo frio. Cordeiro inocente ele era o Cordeiro inocente de Deus. Pastor de Fold, wherever. Ajoelhemos com Maria, doce, humilde, com José, bent and hooray, com santo e anjo, boi e burro, para ver o Rei da Glória. Para ver o Rei da Glória. Let's go. This is enough.
Oh yeah, so this is I was vamping. That was such a good lead-in, but I forgot to say. Anyway, this is a Christmas song that I wrote about 10 years ago, and I'm still incredibly proud of it. Before the paling of the stars. Before the paling of the stars, before the winter morn, Jesus Christ was born in a stable, cradled in a manger, in a world his hands had made, born a stranger.
Priest and king lay fast asleep in Jerusalem. Young and old lay fast asleep in crowded Bethlehem. Saint and angel, oxen ass, kept a watch together before the Christmas daybreak in the winter weather. Jesus on his mother's breast, in the stable cold, spotless Lamb of God was he, shepherd of the flock. Let us kneel with Mary mild, with Joseph bent and hoary, with saint and angel, ox and ass to see the King of
Oh, I'm very proud of that melody. Bonjour Stéphane. Stepan?
Stefan.
Yes. I remembered in the middle of that one. I was like,
Oh, damn.
that's
I'm
suddenly-
late. But right on time to hear you speak French. Dude, it's Stefan. We spoke last night. Dude. Dude.
Hey, Stefan. Nice to have you watching.
After making fun of you.
No,
Nice.
appreciating the French accent. I really like
Okay.
it. I think it's nice.
I can do it. Just
Dude.
This one then your solo? Or your solo then this one?
What time is it?
X.
36.
Let's do this one.
What is this one?
Sit in exilio, privatus Dei filio, gaude, gaude, Emmanuel, nascetur pro te Israel.
Adus, adus, Emmanuel, das brennen prisoner Israel. Divres heretic trista view, here nether cortals dos mabdil, Emmanuel, adho discon.
Adus tuel in Jesse, Deus angel ebener, ragdone fanguitha dus, an beth man fethon zippo pris, hom Emmanuel, adho discon. Israel. Adus Deum omnipotentis plan, Teolan evaganzadan, Komolonos ibarthales, then forgormenans agescus, Emmanuel, adho discon, Israel. Emmanuel, adho discon, Israel.
We like parallel fifths here.
Oh, I guess people never notice.
It always says.
We like minor ninths as well.
And major ninths. I think I play more major. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I do that all the time.
We like minor ninths. We like major sevenths as well.
Right? It's such a good. Sorry, that was a major ninth chord. Sorry. This is a major seventh.
Major
Sorry,
ninth?
this is.
That's his solo, right? It's your solo, Wiz?
You look so displeased. That you, bro.
Virginia.
Bro, my accent.
Bro, mon accent?
Bro, my accent sounds nothing like that. Twink twink. I don't know what that sounds like. Twink twink.
Twink, twink. That's. You've been listening to too much.
Oh.
I think it's just a
Everything
matter
amazing.
of time until people start
Thinking we.
denouncing us. That's the only word that can
Denounce. I denounce
Denounce like
the
in
evil
Civilization.
deeds of
Exactly.
Joao and Hidden.
I denounce the evil deeds of living room concerts. They make fun of
Yeah.
people all the time,
Which means
especially their
we
accents.
get less diplomatic favor.
Yeah.
And you can also take grievances from that.
We mean well.
Pew Pew Die. Now we're also doing tutorials.
Nikki tutorials. Yod was reading a lot about her today. Nikki tutorial? Oh, you're straight. You don't know who that is. Do you know who that is?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I mean,
He said, yeah, just so.
sort of. I mean, I've never seen a video, but I know who it is.
I watched the one she did in Dutch. That was cute.
I have mine.
Okay, yeah. The angel Gabriel from heaven came with wings as drifted snow, his eyes as flame. Oh, hail, said he, the lowly maiden Mary, most highly favored lady, Gloria.
soul shall laud and magnify his holy name. Most highly favored lady, Gloria. Of Emmanuel the Christ was born in Bethlehem all on a Christmas morn, and Christian folk throughout the world will ever say, most highly favored lady,
Amen. The chocobos back. Very nice.
Presépio.
Maybe let's let Joao do this one solo.
Yeah.
And then let's finish off with. Which one did you want to finish?
We have to do the root thing.
The what?
The root Christmas.
Oh, as well.
Can skip that one.
Which one?
Practice so much.
Ah.
Don't be a cunt.
Um,
Be a cunt. I want to punch you. I want to punch you.
boys, let's do Christmas 1915, and then the rude one, since that was such a lovely rude.
Rude.
Okay, so for those of a sensitive disposition, turn the video on mute, but keep watching to make sure we still get the minutes. After we finish this song about war, this is such a beautiful song that we have to do it again, I think. But then we're finishing with a very, very rude song. So if you're offended by words that people call swear words, then turn the video off or on mute. But for now, we're going to go back to the war zone, and then
What is it? What were you saying, Solomon? What?
no, Christmas 1915.
Oh, 1945? 1914. I double checked.
Okay, the name of the song is 1915. 1915 on Christmas Day. On the Western Front, the guns all died away. And lying in the mud on bags of sand, we heard a German sing from no man's land.
He had a tenor voice so pure and true. The words were strange, but every note we knew. Soaring o'er the living dead and damned, the Germans sang of peace in no man's land. They left their trenches, and we left ours.
Beneath tin hats, smiles bloomed like wildflowers.
With photo cigarettes and pots and wine, we built a soldier's truce on the front line. Their singer was a lad of 21. We begged another song before the dawn,
And sitting in the mud and blood and fear,
we
And in the morning all the guns boomed in the rain, and we killed them and they killed us again. At night they charged, we fought them hand to hand,
And I killed a boy that sank in no man's land.
Silent night, no cannons roar.
a king is born of peace forevermore. All's calm, all's bright, all brothers in the night.
And that young soldier sings,
And the song of peace still rings.
So the captain and the kings
Build no man's land. Sleep in heavenly peace.
I was very proud with that transition.
Christmas comes but once a year, and when it comes it brings good cheer, a season of goodwill and fun. And yet while most of us feel festive, Grinches out there just get restive and ruin it all for everyone. Though it's too much to expect you to be nice, you'll find that life is easier with this advice. Try not to be a cunt, it's Christmas. Take a tip from Santa's elf. The rest of us are trying our best to be jolly, so don't go looking like you swallowed a bunch of holly. Don't shout at carol singers and tell them to stop. Don't buy your presents from the Oxfam shop. For fuck's sake, be merry, have another sherry, and try not to be a cunt, 'cause Santa's coming. Try not to be a cunt.
Oh, there's a reindeer!
Try not to be a cunt. C-U-N-T, cunty, cunty, cunt.
Yeah. Did you see the reindeer?
I did not see the reindeer.
I want a reindeer for Christmas.
Mum said about the most highly flavored
Yeah,
lady.
exactly.
I have sung that ever since.
Yeah, I warned Benjamin, saying I might accidentally sing most highly flavored gravy. I didn't, I think.
Most highly flavored gravy. Yeah.
Did you
Mum.
also sing? While shepherds washed their socks by night, all seated on the ground.
What are the other ones?
Did you?
Oh, the We Three Kings. We three kings of Orient are, one in a taxi, one in a car, one on a scooter, blowing his hooter, driving a big guitar, playing a big guitar. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, fill your pants with dynamite, light the fuse and off you go, have a nice trip to Mexico.
We also have one.
There's a song by John Rutter, a piece called "What Sweeter Music," and it has this male voice part called, and it's like the noble part of all the house there is the hearth. But of course, we would sing the noble part of all the house there is the bar, because it's or bar. I mean, it's in a cathedral, so you can't
Bar.
understand a single word anyway. But sing that as loud as possible, and it's pleasing to the ear. Bum, 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 ba, 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 bum. Most high.
Oh, yeah. Okay. É Natal, já não há papel. Oh, man, wait. Man, no,
I also have another one, a Dutch one.
No, stop. Jingle bells,
Oh,
já
wait,
não há
wait.
papel.
Well,
Jingle bells, já não há papel. Não faz mal, limpa só o jornal. O papel está caro, o jornal também. Limpa-se o rabinho, as saias da mãe. Something like this. Wait, I have to see this. Let me see everything and then I see it.
No papel, no papel.
Oh, just what's this? Ah, no, this is different.
This guy's a pretty terrible singer.
Yeah. Oh, this is weird.
Yeah, well.
João?
Yo.
Oh, wait, hold on.
What is it?
Bye.
Jingle
bells,
bells,
jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
bells.
Oh.
Jingle bells.
Let's do one tone higher.
Jingle bells.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a open sleigh.
Hey!
Marching further.
O papel está caro, o jornal também. Limpa-se o rabinho, as saias da mãe. Hey, jingle bells, já não há papel. Não faz mal, limpa só o jornal. Jingle bells, já não há papel. Não faz mal, limpa só o jornal. That's 2 past 22.
Do you know the theme of In the Bleak Midwinter off by heart?
Wait, let me see the text.
Oh, because it starts on the 5th. Okay.
What is it? You showed. Okay.
So do is your tonic note, but it's also three, four.
In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind made moan. Earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen Snow on snow in the bleak midwinter long ago. I know.
Yeah, Joao was being. Oh, so nice. What other Christmas things can we sing in there?
10:05.
In dulce jubilo. There's a really nice version by Mike Oldfield.
You should go to Facebook or Instagram and check the
What is
The-
it? Did you-
the picture
In dulce jubilo, non
where I
si
put some Santa's hats on our heads. I'll show it to you in a second. It's very nice. I did all that by myself.
Alpha est o, Alpha est o.
Oh,
O Jesu parvule,
check this out.
Idleness and kindness, puer optime, with all thy loving kindness, O Princeps Gloriae, traebe poste, traebe poste.
Look at this. I did this. Go check our Facebook and Instagram.
Oh, Lynn's just back. Lynn, you'll have to watch it back because we did some very nice things. I think you'd very much like the Christmas 1915, which is a penultimate one we did.
And the rules to being a good Christmas partier.
Christmas party.
Yeah, don't be a...
Don't be a. Oh, is that the see you next Tuesday? That's what Jake used to say.
Oh, Yo de la Rosa just liked the thing. Whoa, such a nice guy, this
So
Yo.
thirsty. Oh my
Lynn,
God.
Lynn, you need her to sing Most Highly Flavored Gravy as an encore for you, especially. Oh, that was the one she really liked. That was
Most highly flavored gravy.
very sweet.
Most highly flavored gravy. Most highly flavored gravy. Midden in de winternacht ging
You know it. Do, 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 do.
I forgot my note. What's my note again?
Three.
Midden in de winternacht ging
I just jumped to your...
Maybe I switched. But we used to sing instead of midden in de. Okay, we used to
Okay,
sing.
go on.
Midden in de winternacht ging de HEMA open.
Bam, bam, bam,
Onderbroeken
bam,
en
bam,
BH's 10%
bam, bam,
goedkoper.
bam.
And then I think that's it.
Oh, okay.
Zingt zijn lied, herders wel, staat zijn lied. My dearest darling.
The 12 Days of Christmas. A Correspondence by John Julius Norwich. 25th December. My dearest darling, that partridge in that lovely little pear tree, what an enchanting, romantic, poetic present. Bless you and thank you, your deeply loving Emily. 26th December. My dearest darling Edward, the 2 turtle doves arrived this morning, and I are cooing away in the pear tree as I write. I'm so touched and grateful, with undying love, as always, Emily. 27th December. My darling Edward, you do think of the most original presents. Whoever would have thought of sending anybody 3 French hens? Do they really come all the way from France? It's a pity we have no chicken coops, but I'll expect we'll find some. Thank you anyway, they're lovely. Your loving Emily. 28th December. Dearest Edward, What a surprise. 4 calling birds arrived this morning. They're very sweet, even if they do call very loudly. They make telephoning impossible. But I expect they'll calm down when they get used to their new home. Anyway, I'm very grateful. Of course I am. Love from Emily. 29th December. Dearest Edward, the postman has just delivered 5 most beautiful gold rings, 1 for each finger, and they all fit perfectly. A really lovely present. Lovelier in a way than the birds, which do take rather a lot of looking after. The 4 that arrived yesterday are still making a terrible row, and I'm afraid none of us got much sleep last night. Mother says she wants us to use the rings to wring their necks. She's only joking, I think. Though I know what she means. But I love the rings. Bless you. Love, Emily. 30th December. Dear Edward, whatever I expected to find when I opened the front door this morning, but it certainly wasn't 6 socking great geese laying eggs all over the doorstep. Frankly, I'd rather hoped you'd stopped sending me birds. We have no room for them, and they've already ruined the croquet lawn. I know you meant well, but let's call a halt, shall we? Love, Emily. 31st December. Edward, I thought I said no more birds, but this morning, this morning I woke up to find no less than 7 swans, all trying to get into our tiny goldfish pond. I'd rather not think of what happened to the goldfish. The whole house seems to be full of birds, to say nothing of what they leave behind. Please, please stop. Your Emily. 1st January. Frankly, I think I prefer the birds. What am I supposed to do with 8 milkmaids and their cows? Is this some kind of a joke? If so, I'm afraid I don't find it very amusing. Emily. 2nd January. Look here, Edward, this has gone far enough. You say you're sending me 9 ladies dancing. All I can say that judging from the way they dance, they're certainly not ladies. The village just isn't accustomed to seeing a regiment of shameless hussies with nothing on but their lipstick cavorting round the green, and it's Mother and I who get blamed. If you value our friendship, which I do less and less, kindly stop this ridiculous behaviour at once. Emily. 3rd January. As I write this letter, 10 disgusting men are prancing a bower all over what used to be the garden, before the geese and the swans and the cows got at it, and several of them, I notice, are taking inexcusable liberties with the milkmaids. Meanwhile, the neighbours are trying to have us evicted. I shall never speak to you again. Emily. 4th January. This is the last straw. You know I detest bagpipes. The place has now become something between a menagerie and a madhouse, and a man from the council has just declared it unfit for habitation. At least Mother has been spared this last outrage. They took her away yesterday afternoon in an ambulance. I hope you're satisfied. 5th January. Dear Sir, our client, Miss Emily Wilbraham, instructs me to inform you that with the arrival on her premises at 7:30 this morning of the entire percussion section of the Liverpool Philharmonic Orchestra and several of their friends, she has no course left open to her but to seek an injunction to prevent your importuning her further. I am making arrangements for the return of much assorted livestock. I am, sir, yours faithfully, G. Creep, Solicitor at Law. João, o que vale é que não percebem português?
I need to translate it.
Translate what?
I'll make a Portuguese version of that.
Ah!
Well, I'm already breaking down the...
Joao's already breaking down the patriarchy. Thank you everybody for joining. Is this mic still on? Is this thing still on? Anyway, that's like my favorite. It's like my favorite Christmas poem. We did this Christmas concert, and this hilarious old lady. She was super old. She was like 70, and she like dotted up to the podium, and she just delivered it in the most amazing way. And it's still like my favorite. Yeah, it was so great. And that thing when it just goes, Robert, so great. On like the 7th day when it's like, Robert. So I hope you guys enjoyed the concert. I hope you guys enjoyed the poem. Look after yourselves and have a nice time.
Have yourself
Oh.
Merry little Christmas.
Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our fears will be on our way. Oh, if you guys want to write us anything, we are hanging around. There's still 13 of you watching, so we get some nice juicy minutes for the algorithm. El algoritmo. Oh, algoritmo. It's the wrong, if you will.
One of them, the other was okay.
Most highly flavored lady.
Do you want to be on YouTube? Do you want to be a star?
No.
Yeah,
Not this time.
swap
Come on,
with
don't
me.
be a star.
Introducing
We had the guest
the great Joachim de la Rosa.
You're
You're gonna be a star.
gonna be a star, Yodim.
Hello everyone.
Great.
Hello mom. Hello dad.
Whoa, what?
Hello my YouTube now.
Of course, that's always the same thing.
Okay, now play something on the piano.
Just anything.
Now dance.
Do we have a gun to shoot at his feet?
Whoa. Then he will dance for sure.
Are you into that?
I didn't bring my gun.
You know how terrible I am in dancing. Such a nice concert, guys.
Thank you
It's
very
really
much.
good, you know, hearing it live.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people say, unfortunately.
This one's still on. Wait, if you want to get the same privilege that Yodim had today, check our Patch off, and check how much do you have to pay for live concerts at your house or at your friend's house. We do that,
We do
Oh,
that,
yeah.
and we do it with a one-off payment.
and with one-off payment as well. So
if you want us to
be
come to
sure
the
be
concert-
sure to check the Patch off.
So you've heard it now from your team that it sounds way better in real life,
Oh yeah.
So much better.
right?
Yeah.
And that's what Steph said as well, and that's what Arturo said as well.
Well, you have already 3 people saying it sounds way better. So. Três pessoas.
And that's 3 out
Drie
of
mensen.
It's 100% of the people who actually heard the difference.
Yeah. So that they say it's absolutely worth.
Yeah.
No.